Hi, I'm Shahri Rekha and I'm Tara.
I'm Subhashini.
I'm Aarti. I'm pursuing my third year fashion at Dot School of Design.
Hi, I'm Pavitrin. I'm Krishkarna.
I'm Nivedita, pursuing my third years in Dot School of Design.
Hi, my name is Sana Sharma and I'm a fashion designer and an associate professor at Dot School of Design. So the collaboration we did was with an organization called the Yellow Bag Foundation, and they are a social action initiative working to uplift women and provide them livelihood opportunities through the process of making bags. So our students, we had both industrial design and fashion design students working on this.
So they check on biodegradable lifespan of the products so that they won't harm our environment, and they also use materials like jute, muslin, etc.
Basically, they're doing with their muslin bags, and we had a research about their and also other brands, what and all they're providing for the end users. And we had a brief research about our clients.
Well, we did a very typical design thinking process for this, for the students to understand how you really tackle a real world problem and understand what your clients' needs are. So here we had two kinds of clients. One was Yellow Bag and then the other was their eventual end user.
Then we had to make a survey from our faculties and IT professionals. We took around 15 to 20 surveys, and from those surveys we collected insights.
It was very interesting for the students also because they had to get a very deeper sense of knowing who is the user, what their real problems are, and how they can give some creative solutions that could be utility based as well as like emotion based, right? All keeping in mind that it had to be sustainable because that was the core ideology here.
We had to create a product that will a bond between IT professionals and their family, because here in IT they don't have enough time to spend with their families. So we as a team, we concentrated like how to make a IT employee engage with their family and friends. We made products so that they can play with their family or friends during their intervals to connect them with the people. With this project, we developed our skills and more experience from this, and our faculties gave us the right direction to help us when we are stuck on any ideation.
I think the most interesting thing for me was to see two different disciplines of design coming together, because for the first time I was getting to actually interact with industrial design students.
I've never had worked with fabrics because we were used to woods, metal, plastic, etc. It was quite challenging for me to think like how product would come out of a fabric.
Every discipline has its own approach to design. So I think that was very interesting to see. There were some things that the industrial students were learning from fashion and some things that fashion was learning from the industrial. So I think coming together like that and just seeing them collaborate with each other was really nice.
Our faculty supported us really well, and she gave many ideas and many concepts, many inputs to it.
It was very open right from the beginning. The moment that we approached them and told them about Yellow Bag, everybody was on board, and we got enough space to do this the way that we wanted to do this. And I think that gives you a lot of freedom to express and to sort of like also be creative in that space. I think it was really nice. I got to know about Yellow Bag Foundation. As somebody who is specializing in sustainability, it was very nice for me also to interact with them and to see the kind of work they were doing. And I think even from the students' perspective, it's very rewarding for you as a teacher to just see that your students are able to create something and that is in turn being used by the industry.
I would love to do much more projects like this, because it gives us a nice experience to learn new things, and it also helps us to develop our skills.